Hello, and welcome to English for Beginners. Lesson 22. Get up. Go to the toilet. Get a wash. Get dressed. Go to school. Go to work. Go shopping. Go home. What numbers go to school? You say. Number 5. Number 5s go to school. What numbers go home? Number 8. Number 8s go home. What numbers get up? Number 1. Number 1s get up. What numbers go to the toilet? Number 2. Number 2s go to the toilet. What numbers get dressed? 4. Number 4s get dressed. What numbers get a wash? 3. Number 3s get a wash. What numbers go to work? 6. Number 6s go to work. And number 7s go shopping. Now don't say the numbers, say the action. Get up. Go shopping. Get a wash. Go to school. Go to work. Go home. Get dressed. Go to the toilet. Have breakfast. Have lunch. Have dinner. Have an ice cream. Have an ice cream. Have an ice cream. Have a burger. Have a burger. Have a burger. Have a coffee. Have a Coke. Have an apple. What numbers have lunch? Number 2. Have lunch is number 2. What numbers have an apple? 8. Have an apple is number 8. What numbers have an ice cream? 4. Have an ice cream is number 4. What numbers have a coffee? 6. Have a coffee is number 6. What numbers have breakfast? 1. Have breakfast number 1. What numbers have a Coke? 7. Have a Coke's number 7. What numbers have dinner? 3. Have dinner's number 3. And number 5 is have a burger. Now don't say the numbers, say the actions. Have breakfast. Have a Coke. Have dinner. Have a burger. Have a coffee. Have an apple. Have an ice cream. Have lunch. Get an apple. Get an apple. Get your bag. Get your phone. Get hungry. Get dirty. Get the bus. Get to school. Get an A. What numbers get dirty? 5. Number 5s get dirty. What numbers get an A? Number 8. Number 8s get an A. What numbers get an apple? Number 1. Number 1's get an apple. What numbers get your bag? 2. Number 2's get your bag. What numbers get angry? Number 4. Number 4's get angry. What numbers get your phone? 3. Number 3's get your phone. What numbers get the bus? 6. Number 6 is get the bus. And number 7 is get to school. Now don't say the numbers, say the actions. Get an apple. Get to school. Get your phone. Get dirty. Get the bus. Get an A. Get angry. Get your bag. Buy food. Wash food. Cook. Eat. Read. Write. Listen. Learn. What number's right? 6. Number 6 is right. What numbers eat? 4. Number 4's eat. What numbers buy food? 1. Number 1's buy food. What numbers learn? 8. Number 8's learn. What numbers cook? 3. Number 3's cook. What numbers read? 5. Number 5's read. What numbers listen? 7. Number 7's listen. And number 2's wash food. Now don't say the numbers, say the actions. Buy food. Listen. Cook. Read. Write. Learn. Eat. Wash food. That's it for today. Thank you for coming and see you next time. Goodbye.